In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily increase the leverage of an existing trade on the platform Phemex. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. As you can see up here, I'm currently using the demo trading feature. I highly recommend you, after you've signed up, that you first try out the features on the platform by going up here to contract and then down here click on mock trading. Then you will get to this demo trading platform. If you sign up with the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds right here that you can use to fully try out the platform without having to use your own money. As you can see, I'm currently in a long position with a 5x leverage, and if I want to increase that leverage, I can just click on here and drag this number up to, for example, a 7x leverage. If I do that and just click on confirm, you will see nothing really happen. Now this is a 7x leverage, but the position size is still exactly the same. But what happened is we took out some margin of this trade. So as you can see, currently it's at $2,800. Let's increase it again to see how much it gets reduced. Let's put it to 8x, click on confirm, and you will see now it's at 2,400. So the higher you put this leverage, the less margin you need in here in order to keep up with the same position size, of course, because you increase the multiplier, the result needs to stay the same. So we can, of course, decrease the margin, and Phemex does that automatically. Once you increase your leverage, your margin gets reduced, and the freed up margin that you get from increasing your leverage will be just seen in here as your available margin. So the higher you put the leverage, the more margin will be freed up in here, which you can then use. Of course, you can withdraw it, you can open different positions for other coins with it, or you can also use that to increase the position size, because often people want to increase their leverage to further increase their size. But if you want to do that, you need to do a second step. So with the freed up margin you got from this, increasing the leverage, you now can use this margin to increase your position size, which will be then added to your existing position. So how does that work? We just go in here. Let's say we want to add another $10,000. Click on open long, confirm, and now you will see you've increased your position size in here. Now it also took again more margin from here. Don't forget to create an account by using the link down from the video description to get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.